Again.
Okay.
Okay, as we discussed earlier, I'm going to take you through a series of fitness appraisals. First, we're going to be taking your blood pressure. Now, we're going to be looking for a reading. Firstly, I'm going to put the cuff on your upper arm to stop the blood flow. Okay, this may get uncomfortable because it does get a little bit tight, but I do release the pressure fairly fast. I'm going to be looking for 2 readings. Okay, the top reading is taken while the heart is contracting, and that's the highest reading, and that's called the systolic reading. And the second reading is called the diastolic reading, which is the lower of the 2 readings, and this is taken when the heart is at rest or at relaxation. And I'm going to take this reading to determine if you have any high blood pressure, because high blood pressure is associated with chronic diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. And cardiovascular disease is the biggest cause of death in Australia. Okay, you happy for me to go ahead with this? Okay, great. I'll just put my stethoscope on, make sure it's the right one. Okay, I'm just going to put the cuff on your arm, so I need you to pull your sleeve up. I'm just going to go straight onto the skin. Okay, great. And I will just put the stethoscope onto your brachial artery so that I can hear your heart pumping. Okay, and just inflate the cuff. And now it may get a little bit tight. And I'll just release it a bit. Okay, that's great. All right. So I'll just finish releasing that so I can take that off. Good heartbeat going on there. Whoops. Okay, and your reading was 110/80. So I'll just write that. Okay, so ideally we want to see a systolic reading of 120 or below and a diastolic reading of 80 or below. And yours was 110/80, so that's in the normal range, which is excellent. Okay, that's great. So I'm just going to take your weight now. So, just a moment.